In this video, we'll prepare the radiator to be installed in the car. Place the 12-inch fan centered up on the radiator. The fan wires should aim toward the top of the radiator. Insert the 4 plastic angle brackets. Use 1 plastic mount tie to mark the hole through each angle bracket. Remove the angle brackets and use the plastic tie to install the adhesive foam pads. Apply a little pressure to make sure the foam pads are secure. Reinstall the 4 angle brackets. Slide a spring onto each tie before pushing them through the angle brackets. Lift the radiator so that you can install the ties all the way through the radiator. On the front side of the radiator, place a foam pad on each plastic tie. Then push the retaining discs down against the foam pads. Turn the radiator on its side and tighten all 4 ties. When you trim the ties, make sure you do not trim near the retainer discs. Leave ½ an inch or more of the tie. Sometimes the retainers will move back over time, leaving some excess prevents the retainer from falling off. Find the passenger side hose in your Stage 1 hardware box. Mark the center line and then mark 3 inches out on both sides. Wrap masking tape at these marks. Cut the hose inside the masking tape. Place this hose on the lower radiator tube. It should angle outward as shown. Clamp the hose in place. Apply thread locker to the radiator mount holes. Slide a washer onto one side of the rubber isolator stud and apply additional thread locker. Screw the stud into the radiator. Do not over tighten or you might tear the stud from the rubber. Repeat this process for the other side. Check to make sure the drain plug is fully seated. Do not over tighten it. Cut the connectors from the ends of the fan wires. Crimp a 1/4 inch ring terminal onto the black ground wire. Crimp a spade connector onto the other wire.